Stop waiting for the perfect time. Stop waiting for the perfect camera. Stop waiting for that confidence. Just start your YouTube channel because if you don't, you'll be here next year by this time wishing you could have started today. I know you think it's scary. I know you think nobody will watch. I know you think you're not ready. But look at me now. I wasn't ready either. But I started recording those things that I love, those things that do come easy with me, those things that I enjoy doing. And now that confidence started building a little by little. And here I am now, encouraging you to start your own channel. So, what are you still waiting for? I didn't know what I was doing back then, but I'm loving every way of the process now. Speaking of the confidence that I talked about earlier, you will gather it as time goes on. You will get encouraged and you will get going. I'm outside in an open view and most definitely it's noisy. I can hear the cars are beep beeping. I hope you excuse that background noise, but I have to record this video. You already have all that you need. You have your phone, you have your natural light, you have your voice, and you have the original self, which is you. So, what are you waiting for? We all start at 0 subscribers, we all start with no followers. That's where everybody starts. So, yeah, just start with what you have. That's a phone that you use to take pictures, that you use to call people. If it has a camera, use it. We start with what we have and we will upgrade later. As for the followers, they will come as you're progressing in this journey. You know, those popular content creators you're now admiring, they started right here. So stop beating yourself up, just start creating your own content. Listen, I'm hyping you up on this one. No creator started perfect or confidence. Confidence come after you have started. Confidence come in the process, not before you start. So your first video will never be perfect. That's exactly how it's supposed to be. Those creators you're admiring now, they started right where you are. Confused, not sure about themselves, just doing it because they want to do it. So what are you still waiting for? Hype yourself up and just take that camera and start recording. Obviously, there's somebody out there who needs your voice, your talent, your personality, and they're just waiting for you. You know, there are people assigned to you. There are people who you personally are going to inspire. Most definitely, there's somebody out there who needs to hear your story, who needs to hear your voice, your vlogs, your lifestyle, and they'll get motivated by that. So, what I want you to stop doing is underestimating yourself and sitting on those talents. Go out there, start recording, and inspire people to dream because there are those people who look up to you, even though you don't know them, but there's somebody waiting specifically for you out there. Don't disappoint them. You don't need to be posting every day. You don't need too much content. You can just schedule yourself to be able to post at least twice or once a week. For me, when I started this content creation journey, I knew nothing about editing, lighting, the right tools to use, speaking to the camera and everything. But being here on YouTube did me a good favor because everything is there. You can learn as you're implementing your own things. You get my point? So just take that camera and start because you're only going to learn when you are doing something. So today, after listening to this video, take your camera and record your first video. Don't overthink it. Don't be too critical on it. It won't be perfect, but your future self will thank you that you took this opportunity and tried something that is going to do you good in the future. Your job is to start. Just start. Start your journey, start a recording, and just start being productive. If you watched up to this far and you want to see more of this kind of videos, kindly go ahead and subscribe. Give the video a thumb up and let me know the title of your first video if you haven't started yet. See you in my next videos and bye for now. I don't know if you're going to hear me, but my mic just went ooh la la on me. It went off. The batteries are finished. So I recorded in this noise. Guys, I'm out exploring. I'm out at the office now just to come and record. You see how this important. You see how this thing is important to me. I can just come out. Okay, I'm off to record the next video. Bye on this one. See you. I hope you hear me.